Visiting Japan and want to use your Suica card seamlessly with your Android phone. Adding your Suica to Google Wallet makes transit and payments incredibly convenient. In this guide, I'll show you how to add your Suica card to Google Wallet. To add your Suica card to Google Wallet, open the Google Wallet app on your Android smartphone. Tap the plus button or Add to Wallet. Select Transit Card, and then choose Suica from the list of available cards. You'll have the option to either transfer an existing physical Suica card with its balance to your phone or create a new digital Suica card and add funds directly. If transferring, you'll place your physical Suica card against the back of your phone to initiate the transfer. Finally, confirm the details and any terms. Once successfully added, your Suica will be available in Google Wallet for tap to pay at transit gates, vending machines, and stores where Suica is accepted. And there you have it. Adding a Suica card to Google Wallet makes travel in Japan easier. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.